Good morning, students. I hope you all are very fine and also enjoy your short vacations. Okay, now after a short break, we are going to start, and you already know we have already start this chapter of supplementary reader, The Treasure Within. Okay, part first half of I finished in last video, and now I am linking the chapter, so pay attention very carefully. As you know, this is Hafiz Contractor, one of the character in this chapter. Okay, and BR, Mrs. Bella, she is taking an interview. Now I am linking the chapter. See, when I approached my 11th standard, the principal called me and said, "Look here, son, I have been seeing you from day one. You are a good student, but you never studied. I have taken care of you till today." When he was in 11th standard, as Hafiz was a very weak student, when he was in 11th standard, the principal called him, told him, "Till today I have been taken care of you, but now I am not going to tolerate anything. Now enough is enough. Now I can no longer take care of you, so you do it yourself. Now you are in 11th standard and you should take care of you." Okay, the principal told to Hafiz. And now from here I am starting. Okay, this is linking paragraph. This was a linking paragraph. Now see what happened next. He talked to me for 5 minutes. His principal talked with Hafiz for 5 minutes. "You don't have your father. Your mother has worked so hard to bring you up and paid all your fees all these years, but you have only played games." What the principal told, your father is no more, your mother is working hard for you, but you and for paying your fees, for your other expenses, she is working so hard, but what you are doing, you are wasting your time on playing only, on playing games only. Now you should rise to the occasion and study. Now you should rise to the occasion and you should study. I used to be a very good sportsman. I had been the senior champion for so many years. I also was a cricket captain. I used to play every game, but that year I did not step out onto the field. And Hafiz was so taken care of that year he was not appear on the playground. Okay, and next I would go for prayers, where he would go for prayers only, and he already came to know if till now I copy and I pass. Normally I used to copy and I pass, but now I realize once I was in SSC I could not do that. I could not copy. When I got the second class 50% in my SSC, principal said, "Son, consider yourself as having got a distinction." Now see, I am reading this sentence again. Listen it very carefully. When I got a second class 50% in my SSC, my principal said, "Son, consider yourself as having got a distinction." Okay, it means his 50% were for the principal, they were equivalent to distinction. You know distinction, above 70 or above 70, it's a distinction. So the principal told him, "You have not got 50%. Suppose or take it granted you have got distinction. You have got 70 or above 70%. This is my memory of school days. I did lots of other things. See, as far as my things are concerned, I can't remember. I forgot things very easily. To remember, I have to see things as a photograph. I read a book and I can remember the matter as a photograph, but not through my mind. That is how it works. What he is saying, these are all my memories. I forget the things very easily. To remember, I have to see the things as a photograph. Some people are there, they forget the things very easily. They did not remember. It is because so many things in their life they are taking very casually. So they forget. But when Hafiz wanted to see the things, he wanted to recall the things, he saw the things as a photograph. I read a book and I can remember the matter as the photograph, but not through my mind. That is how it works. BR, Mrs. Bella. When you were in school and you were doing badly, did the teacher pull you up and how did you feel? Mrs. Bella asked question. As a child, when you were in school or you were doing badly, but the teacher pulled you up and how did you feel? Hafiz contractor. I never felt anything on being pulled up. I used to be so interested in playing. Hafiz is saying, I was a very playful person. By my childhood, I was very playful person. And I never mind if the teacher pulled me outside the class. I never felt anything. I was taking it very casually. In between you also, so many students are there. If they are taking the things very casually, then nothing will change them. Nothing. Even neither teachers nor principals or not their parents also. Okay? And the same thing was with Hafiz. I would receive a caning every week. Now see here. Here caning means punishment, beating. Okay, I received a caning every week. When you knew that you had incurred the wrath of your teacher by not doing your homework or by behaving badly, when you knew you would get a caning, what was the state of your mind? Now what BR is asking, if you are not doing your homework, your teacher will make you furious. Your teacher will definitely punish you. Here wrath means furious, badly punished. When you knew you would get a caning, what was the state of your mind at that time? State of mind, just lift up the hand and they would cane you. It would hurt badly. Then I would have to forget about it because I would want to go and play. What Hafiz is saying, for this state of mind, you are asking for state of mind, but just lift up the hand and they would cane you. They would cane you. They would punishing you very badly. It would hurt badly. Are you getting my point? वो इतनी ज़ोर से मारते थे टीचर्स, अगर होमवर्क नहीं किया तो इतना ज़ोर से पनिश करते थे, इतना ज़ोर से मारा जाता था हाफिज़ को कि वो भूल नहीं सकता था. बट ही हैज़ टू फॉरगेट. वाई? बिकॉज ही वॉज अ स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन, ही वॉज अ प्लेफुल पर्सन. वो तुरंत वहाँ के वहाँ ही भूल के अपने खेलने के लिए चला जाता था. आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? teachers were beating him so badly, but he was the person who forgot everything on spot and started his playing. Now see what happened next. BR. You never felt insecure or threatened. In this condition, you never felt insecure or threatened. I was just interested in playing and nothing else. I was almost interested in funny pranks. One day I did not want to study, so I created a distraction. For 1 whole hour we played Chor Police. Every Saturday we were allowed to go into a town to see a movie. Okay, school was allowing them every Saturday they will go to the town and to see a movie. Before that he is saying, one day I was not in a mood of study. I don't want to study. I was created a distraction. Okay, and every Saturday they were allowed us to go to the town and to see the movie. So what I would do was have no lunch and collected money from 40 to 50 students and run and buy the tickets. On my way back I would eat my heart's content. I used to be a leader of the gang, and this is from this the leadership was started. I was collected money from 40 to 50 students. Meanwhile I get my lunch also. I don't have, or I didn't have anything to eat, but meanwhile I collected that money, and on returning with 40 to 50 tickets I took my breakfast also, whatever I would like. I used to be a leader of a gang. Now he was the leader of a gang. We would have gang fights and plan strategies. These things used to interest me more than any academics. Okay, now he was attracting to another type of things. Okay, now his concentration was totally distracted. Distracted means something amusing and pursuable. Okay, and Chor Police, you know, the game of children, one type of game. And academics means related to education. Okay, now he was totally distracted from the academics. Now see, students used to book my textbooks for the following years because they were almost brand new. I probably opened them one day before exams. Okay, now this is very important thing, and this is end of the first part. What is important? Now see, student used to book my textbooks. Everyone wanted his textbook because they are unused. Till the last end of the year his books are new one. He was never using them. They were brand new as it is. जैसी स्टेशनरी से बुक्स ली थी उसने, वैसी की वैसी ही वो दूसरों को देता था, because they were not used. They were totally unused. Okay, और वो कब ओपन करता था बुक? Before one day of his exam. Okay, now I am thinking you are getting the picture very carefully or very nicely what type of character of Hafiz contractor is. Okay, now see, we are going to stop here. I will also send you the meanings. Okay, so take care of you.